Hiya, it's Ken from Get English Tips here. A popular question I'm asked all the time is about have been. This is the perfect tense, using the verb to be. Let's see if we can make it a little bit clearer for you. If we look at the verb to be in the simple tense, we use it for adjectives. I am happy. We use it for professions. I am a teacher. The continuous tense, I am speaking, and the passive voice, I am driven to work. So remember that. Adjectives, professions, continuous, passive. And this is the same when we use it for the perfect tense, but we include the action from the beginning. For example, the verb to be, past participle, verb 3, is been. I have been happy since I met you, since the beginning. I have been a teacher for 10 years, the beginning. I have been working since 9 a.m, the beginning. And we're still doing all these actions. I have been driven to work every day by my friend since I started working there. Again, the beginning. So have been shows the action from the beginning for an adjective, for a profession, for the continuous, and the passive voice. So I hope that's made it a little bit clearer for you and you can start using it. Leave a couple of examples below and I'll check it for you. If you have any more questions about any topic on English, leave me a comment below and I'll answer you. Or I'll do a video lesson. My name's Ken. Bye for now.